मन करे निहारत रही।
हाँ हे देवर जी, इ त साँचो के मन हरिहर कर देती हो।
Okay, namaste and good morning and welcome to you all here in our it's me Santosh Kumar Thakur and now you are listening a radio educational program which is sponsored by Nepal Police School Gaura Rautat, okay, with media partners Radio Madhes Masla 106.4 megahertz. Okay, dear students, here now I am going to teach class 2 maths, okay, and as we learning different types of numbers and related the questions, okay, in our previous classes. Yes, according to that, today we have a topic. We will learn about the about the number systems of different questions. In that we have the first we have one that means, okay, sorry, more than, more or less, more or less. Yes, students, as you know, yes, suppose if we talk about more and less, so to clarify this type of numbers, more than or less than numbers, yes, more or less means, okay, more than or less than. Yes, students, while reading or while writing the numbers, yes, from 1 to 100 or more than 100, 200, 300, 400, yes. So suppose here we have two number, okay, one is 4 and another is, okay, suppose 9. Let's start with the one digit numbers. Yes, so here now to identify which one is more than and which one is less than. That means we can also say that, okay, greater than or, okay, smaller than or less than, smaller than. Okay. So here, yes, if we talk about 4 and 9, these two digit numbers are, or digits are, okay, numbers are made from 1 digits. So here, let's start to read the number from 1. So here 1, yes, then after 2, then after 3, then after 4, then after 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and after 10. Yes. So now here, what the numbers that we have given here is 4 and then after 9. So just focus here and listen carefully here. Yes, 4 comes, okay, before 9. Yes, 4 comes before 9 and 9 comes, okay, after 4. Yes, so remember one thing, the number which comes before the number, okay, is the smaller number. Yes, the number which comes before the number is called is a less smaller number or less than the other one. Yes, so here we have given 4 and 9. So here in the number, yes, 4 comes just 4 comes before the 9. Yes, before 9. Yes, so the number, as we know, the number which comes before the other is the smaller or is less than the other number. Yes, so here as we can find, 4 is smaller or less by less than 9. Yes, so we can give there the proper sign is, okay, the proper sign, okay, like this. Yes, the proper sign, 4 is smaller than, okay, 9. So we should give the smaller sign, okay, or turn the sign towards 9, because 9 is the greater and 4 is the smaller. Yes, in the number we got 4 as first and then after we got, okay, 9. In the same way, suppose if we talk about, okay, if we talk about different type, suppose 2-digit number. Yes, so suppose if we talk about 2-digit number, let's to example, suppose 34, okay, and let's other maybe, okay, 95. Yes, so it means just look here and listen carefully here. Yes, 34, okay, comes before 95. Yes, 34 comes before 95. Yes, so in this condition also what, 95 comes after 34. Yes, so the number which comes before, okay, the other is the smaller, and the number which comes after the other is the greater. So 95 comes after 34 and 34 comes before 95, so that 34 is smaller by 95. Yes, and we can give the appropriate sign. So in this way, yes, in this way we can find greater and smaller number. Okay, in the same condition, yes, suppose we have given some numbers. Yes, suppose, yes, we have given some numbers, okay, maybe like this. Suppose here we have given, yes, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle. Okay, at one side there are, okay, 4 circle, and other side there are given, okay, 2 rectangle. Okay, 2 rectangle, yes, or 3 rectangle. Yes, so other side there are given 3 rectangle, and one, that means just left side is there are given 4 circle, and the right side there are given 3 rectangle. Yes, if we talk about these circles and rectangles, okay, so here, okay, 4 is absolutely, okay, greater than 3. Yes. So the number of this circle are 4 and the number of this rectangle are 3. Okay. So while reading the number, okay, 4 comes after 3 and 3 comes before 4. Okay. So that what 4 is greater and 3 is smaller. Yes. But if we talk about by how much, okay, the circle is more than the rectangle, by how much? Yes. So we should count the number. Yes. First we have 1 2 3 4 square, and the second 1 2 3 3 rectangle. Yes. So how many circle are there? There is more than the given rectangle. Yes. So there is one circle which is given more than the rectangles. Yes. If we take out or erase one circle, then the number of circle and the number of rectangle becomes equal. Yes. 1 2 3 circle and 1 2 3 rectangle. Yes. So in this condition we can say that what? Yes, when we add one circle, okay, the number of circle becomes more by the given number of rectangle. Yes. So okay, there is one rectangle more by one circle more by the given rectangles. In this condition we can find it. Yes. Somewhere you have some types of questions like this. Okay, there may be given suppose, yes, 1 orange, 2 orange, 3 orange, and on other side there will be given apple. Yes, maybe. Yes. How many oranges are there? 3 oranges. Yes. And how many apples are there? There are 2 apples. Yes. So there may be the questions like this, with you. Okay, how many more apples, or how many more oranges, or how many less apples, than the oranges and than the apples. You may have the 2 types of questions, for this. Yes, how many more oranges than the apples? How many more oranges are there than apples? Yes, so we can find here how many oranges are there. There are 3 oranges. And how many apples are there? There are 2 apples. Yes. So how many more oranges are there? Yes, in the given columns. When we erase one orange, the number of orange and the number of apples become equal. Yes. And when we add one apples other side, then also it becomes equal. Yes. So that we can find that easily. One. We can find it by crossing one apple, orange cross to one apples, other orange cross to other apples. So we have left one orange, and there is no any apples at the side of apples. So that we can find it easily that is one orange is more than by the apples. Yes. In the same way, suppose, yes, this type of question will be given in your exam. So you have to learn it carefully. By crossing it we can find it. Yes, in the easy method we should cross the equal number of picture. Equal number of line. Suppose there will be given, yes, by how many or by how much 4 is more than 6, by how much 4 is less than by 6. Yes. So here we should draw 4 line for 4. So 1 2 3 4. Yes, and 6 line for 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, and cross the equal number of line. 1 cross 1, second cross second, third cross third, fourth cross fourth. Yes. So we have left what? 2 lines in the 6th column of 6, and there is no lines left in the column of 4. So what? 2 lines is more by 4, so that means 2 is more by 4 in 6. Yes. In the same way, 2 is less by 4 by 6. Yes, so that what, when we add 2 in 4, it is equal to 6. When we subtract 2 from 6, it is equal to 4. In the same way, 4 by, okay, how many numbers or how much number 4 is less than 6? So by 2, yes, by 2 4 is less than 6. Yes, in the same way we can find this type of numbers. Okay, then after we can find in the same way, okay, this type of numbers. Okay, suppose if we learn from 1 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yes, in the same way. Yes, so we can find here, yes, 1 is smaller by 2 by 1. Okay, 2 is smaller than 3 by 1. 4 is 3 is smaller than 4 by 1. 4 is smaller, okay, than 5 by 1. Okay, 5 is smaller than 6 by 1. 6 is also smaller than 7 by 1. In this condition, what we can find, okay, we can find that what, if one more than is 1 more than 1, okay, then it is equal to what, 1 more than 1. That means what, when in 1 it will be added 1, then it becomes what, 1 1 2. In the same way, suppose, okay, 1 more than is 2. When 2 is increased by 1, is more than, it means what, the number which is more, okay, in the given more in the given number, okay, it should be added. It means what, 2 plus 1. Yes, so 2 and 1. Suppose, yes, there are given 2 lines and 1 line should be more or added. So how many lines are there? 1 2 3. There are 3 lines. So what, when 1 more than in 2, it becomes what, 3. In the same way, okay, other lines also formed. In the same way, if we go through reverse, okay, suppose, okay, then we can say that what, 7 is, okay, 1 less than 7. Less means what, decrease. What, less means decrease, reduce. Okay, that means minus. Okay, minus means subtract. So when, suppose, draw one line and draw also 7, yes, line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, and there is the word less, so we should cross. Okay, and when the word there is given more, so we should add. Okay, when the word there is given more, so for the more words we apply here addition. Yes, and the for word less we should apply here, okay, subtraction. Yes, so if there is given, okay, more, then we should add there, and if there is given less, then we should subtract over there. Yes, or cross. So we should cross one line from 1, and how many lines are there left? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write here 6. So when 1 is less than by from 7, we got 6. Yes, so in this way you can find these all. Okay, so now this is the time for homework. Okay, so write your homework carefully. Homework. Okay, question number 1. Yes, okay, there may be the questions. Okay, write the numbers. Write the numbers. Yes, you may have given a questions. Okay, there. Okay, suppose there may be the question example, 1 more than, okay, 7 is equal to 8. Okay, and 1 less than Okay, suppose 10. Okay, so it means 9. In the same way, you need to do these questions. Okay, in question number 8, there are given 1 less than, okay, 72, 1 less than 100, 1 more than, okay, 1 more than 42, 1 more than 56. Yes, or write or put the greater or smaller in the boxes. Yes, it's good number question. And the first question there is given, okay, 4, then there is box and 9. Okay, B 10 and box, then after 32. Yes, C. Okay, suppose there is the example also for you. Yes, so in example you have given 4 and blank space and 9. Okay, so which one is greater in this? We should turn towards. Yes, so here 9 is the greater, so we should turn the symbol towards 9. Yes, if 4 is greater, then we should turn towards the symbol towards 4. In the same way, question number 8, 10 blanks 32. Okay, then after 100, then after box, okay, 101. Yes, C number question. Okay, 300. Okay, 400. D 32, 90. Yeah, by this much class 2 is over here. Okay, now this is a time for short breaks, so we will be back here after this short break. Thank you.
रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज में अब समय है व्यापारिक विश्राम के। तब तक अपने भी हाथ साबुन पानी से मल मल के धो के आओ। कोरोना वायरस से अपने भी बचो आ दूसरों के बचाओ।
कोरोना वायरस कोविड-19 के ये महामारी में घर भीतर या घर बाहर शारीरिक, मानसिक एवं यौन जन्य हिंसा हो सकले।
गाली गलौज, कूटपीट, भय त्रास जैसन दंडनीय अपराध होइत है या देख रहल बाड़ी तो पैसा न लागे वाला नेपाल प्रहरी के फोन नंबर 100 में जानकारी कराओ।
बाल बालिका, गर्भवती, सुतकेरी, वृद्ध व्यक्ति, मुटु आ चीनी रोगी के विशेष ख्याल करो। साबुन पानी से हाथ धो, मास्क लगाओ आ 1 मीटर के दूरी पे ही रहो। अपने बचो और के बचाओ।
IR नेपाल एवं RDC नेपाल रौतहट द्वारा जनहित में जारी संदेश।
सूचना 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 कोरोना वायरस संक्रमण संबंधी अत्यंत जरूरी सूचना। हाल विश्व भर फैल रहल कोरोना वायरस से नेपाल उच्च जोखिम में रहल। विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के प्रतिवेदन अनुसार कोरोना वायरस से हो रहल आ हो सके वाला संभावित जोखिम से बचेला कोनो किस्म के सभा, जुलूस, मेला आदि न करे न करावे के लिए अनुरोध कल जाइत है। कोरोना वायरस से बचे वाला उपाय: भीड़ से बचो, चले के समय मास्क के प्रयोग करो, साबुन पानी से नियमित हाथ धो, कम पाकल मांस मछली न खाओ, दही, दूध, घी, पनीर आदि के सेवन करो, सड़ल खाए वाला चीज न खाओ, खाए वाला चीज के नीमन से धो के आ अच्छा से पका के मात्र खाओ, एक आपस में अभिवादन कैला पर नमस्ते करो, हाथ न मिलाओ, एक आपस में शारीरिक दूरी कायम रखो, खोखला पर या छींक आयला पर आगाड़ी के व्यक्ति के विपरीत दिशा में अपन मुख छोपू। रोग संक्रमण लागल शंका लागला में स्वास्थ्य तथा रोग नियंत्रण कार्यालय के कॉल सेंटर नंबर 1339 में जानकारी दियो तथा चिकित्सक संगे संपर्क करो। दैनिक रूप में पानी गर्म करके मात्र प्रयोग करो। ब्रॉडकास्टिंग एसोसिएशन ऑफ नेपाल आ रेडियो मधेश मसला गौड़ा द्वारा जनहित में जारी संदेश। द वॉइस ऑफ मिडनाइट रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Okay, namaste and good morning to you all again. And here we have the second class of class 3 maths. Okay, students, as we learned or discussed about triangles in plane shapes, okay, in our previous class. Okay, today we have rectangle. Okay, rectangle. In triangle, that we discussed about many more things in triangle. Yes, in triangles just we discussed about their vertex, sides, okay, in the same way angles, corners, okay, or others. So here now we have today we have the topic, okay, rectangle. So today we will discuss or we will learn about rectangle. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Okay, I think you all have copy book. Yes, book. Yes, you all have. Okay, so now take out your copy and books and pencils. Okay, and listen to me carefully. Okay, look once to your book and copies. Yes, so your copy may be in this shape, okay, or in this shape. Yes, the shape of the paper that you have or with me in my hand is rectangular, or the shape is rectangle of the paper that is with me in my hand and that is with you. Okay, or also the shape of the book that you have, okay, that you have, yes, is what? Rectangular shape, that is rectangle in shape. Yes, so in the same way let's talk about the other example. Suppose I have here, yes, what is this? Duster. Yes, so this is also in the shape of rectangular. Yes, so its shape is also what? Rectangle. In the same way, yes, as you all know about whiteboard. Yes, our whiteboard is also made in the shape of, yes, rectangle. Yes, because we can find, okay, or we can, okay, see here, or we can look here, okay, or we can watch here. Yes, its upper and lower part is some larger and its side is somewhat smaller than the upper and lower parts. Yes, so we can find that what? The upper length is more and the side length of side is what? Some less. Okay, it means what? Both the side and the upper or the lower length is not equal. Yes, so that what? We can say that, okay, if the any figure, okay, or this type of figure, if this type of figure is given, okay, and there's all the lengths of all the sides are not equal, then we can, okay, and they are opposites. Yes, so here we can find it here. Okay, this length is equal to this part of length. Okay, that means if we will talk about the whiteboard, so one side is equal to the length of to one side, other side, and the upper side, length of upper side is just equal to the length of side which is given at below. So here, let's define the rectangle. So we can define the rectangle like this. Okay, in the same way according to triangle. Yes, so here rectangle, a closed figure, is a closed figure bounded by is 4. In triangle, the figure is bounded by 3 line segments, but in rectangle, the figure is bounded by a closed figure bounded by 4 line segments. 4 line segments. Yes. So here a closed figure bounded by 4 line segment. Okay. Is called rectangle, but it has also some condition. Yes, it has some conditions. Yes, if we talk about the rectangle, so to form or to construct a rectangle, let's take 4 lines. Suppose, but from the line or in the line, 2 lines segments should be equal, and again 2 line segments should be equal, but that the different 2 pair of line segments have the different measurement. Suppose I have taken one line segment of 2 centimeter. So again I have taken other line segment also of 2 centimeter. Yes, another of 1 centimeter and again of 1 centimeter. Yes, but here we need to form a rectangle. Yes, so by using these 4 line segments, we need to form what? Rectangle. Yes, so suppose I am going to join these lines, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the given figure that I have drawn here is a rectangle? No, because the definition clarify that the figure should be what? Closed. But the figure that I have drawn here is not the closed figure. Yes, so here first the figure should be what? Closed, and that should be bounded, it means joint with each other. Yes, by what? 4 line segment. Yes, in the same way, or similar to triangle. Yes, this is also a closed figure, and that should be joint with each other. Yes, it is also a closed figure, and they are also connected to with each other by in the 4 line segments. Yes, so suppose the longer line that we have drawn before this, yes, this is 2 centimeter. I have drawn as a horizontal line segment. The same way I have drawn 1 centimeter line as vertical line segment. Yes, then again I have drawn the given 2 centimeter line as horizontal. In the same way, other as vertical line segment. Yes, so by joining these 4 lines, we have drawn what? Yes, a rectangle. Yes, in the rectangle we can find what? Yes, this is a closed figure, this is bounded, yes, but that means what? Joined with each other, here, yes. In the same way, what? We have also 4 line segments in this figure, yes, 4 line segment, yes, and they are connected to each other, yes. But the memorable things that must need to know for the rectangle are, yes, okay, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Yes, so students, look here. Yes, that we have drawn 2 line segments and each of 1 centimeter, and again 2 line segments each of okay 2 centimeter. Yes, so that what we have drawn 2 centimeter line segments as upper and as the below of the figure, and 1 centimeter is drawn as the side, okay, for the side. It means 1 centimeter line segments is drawn as vertically, and 2 centimeter line segments okay, that we have drawn here as horizontal line segments. So what we can find here, 2 as upper, 2 centimeter as upper, and 2 centimeter as below. In the same way, 1 centimeter as the side, and again 1 centimeter as the other side. Yes, what the things or the point that we have given here, the opposite sides. Yes, opposite means here. Suppose this is 1 centimeter, this is also 1 centimeter. So what? This 1 centimeter, this side is opposite to this one side. Yes, so this 1 centimeter is equal to this 1 centimeter. Yes, in the same way, the upper side, that means one side is equal to other side. One vertical line is equal to other vertical line. In the same way, upper line is equal to lower line, because the length is 2 centimeter as upper and also for lower too. Yes, so that what? So upper line is equal to lower line. Yes, so this is what? Opposite sides are equal, yes, in length. In the same way, we have also, this is the first point, and the second point is what? All the angles are of 90 degree. Yes, 90 degree. So students, before this we need to know about the angle. Okay, so a rectangle has yes 4 okay angles. 4 angles, that means we can say corners. Yes, so here look students here, or listen to me carefully. A rectangle has 4 angles, or we can say that corners. Yes, in the same way, each of the angle is of 90 degree. Yes, so here, as we know about the corner and the angles. Yes, yes, here the mobile that you are watching now, yes, the TV that you are watching now, okay, these all the shapes are these okay things are made in the shape of rectangular shape or rectangle shape. Yes, so you can find how many corners are there in your mobile. Yes, so your mobile may be like this. Yes, yes, your mobile may be like this. Okay, like a rectangle. Yes, so we can find 2 corners and upper and 2 corners at below. Yes, in the same way, here the line where two lines are joining, yes, or the joining point of two line, yes. So joining points of two line is especially known by corner or angle. So here the two lines that is joined here, yes. So we can find here there are 4 points where the lines are joined here. So a triangle has 4 angles and 4 corners. In the same way, each of the angles, that means what? These angles, okay, these are especially measurement of angle when we measure it. Then when we measure this angle by protractor, okay, it is of, okay, or these are of each of the angle of, okay, 90 degree. So in this way we can find here the rectangle. Okay, now we need to discuss on some questions related rectangle. Okay, so now students, now tell me how many line segments in a rectangle? Yes, okay, there are 4 line segments in a rectangle. In the same way, if we talk about the, okay, vertices or the angles or the corners, so you can say that what? There are also 4 vertices, corners and angles in a rectangle. Yes, in the same way, each of the angle is of 90 degree in a rectangle. Yes, so here sometimes you may have the questions like this. Yes, you may have the questions like this. Your first question is given here. Okay, write the name of rectangle. Yes, write the name of rectangle or the rectangle. Yes, so suppose there may be given a rectangle, so students, you need to draw a rectangle. Yes, like this, and there may be the name, okay, W, okay, W, W, X, Y and Z. W, X, Y and Z. Yes, so to write the name of the rectangle, we should also, or we can write their the name of the rectangle by using their letters, okay, which is given over there as their vertices. So in the triangle, how did we write the name of triangle? In the same way, here also in the name of triangle or rectangle, we should write their names, but not by taking, okay, 3 letters, okay, by taking 4 letters. Okay, in the same, if we talk about triangle, there are only 3 vertices or 3 angles, 3 corners, so that they are given 3 letters and we use all the letters to write their names. Okay, the same way we have given here 4 corners, 4 vertices, yes, so that we have given 4 letters, so we should use these 4 letters to write the name, or we should always go through the alphabetically. So the first letter that comes W, then after X, then after Y, then after Z. So to write the name of rectangle, yes, name of rectangle or name is equal to, name of rectangle is equal to, we can give the sign symbol as rectangle, we can form the symbol like rectangle, okay, like this, okay, or we can draw there a small rectangle and write W, X, Y, Z, but the letter should be written in capital form. Okay, not we don't use, or we are not allowed to use the small letters to write the name of rectangle or anything. Okay, in the same way, somewhere you have the given question, somewhere you have given the questions to write their vertices. Vertices, yes, that is a plural form of vertex. So we can find the vertices how? Okay, from the joining point. Yes, so the point where two lines are joined, okay, that point is known by as the what? Vertex or vertices. So here the two lines first join here at W, then again two lines joined here at X, then again two lines joined here at Y, then again two lines joined here at Z. So their vertices are, we can write here, first W, yes, then X, yes, then Y, yes, then Z. Yes. So these W, X, Y and Z are the vertices of this rectangle, yes, according to the triangle. In the same way, okay, sometimes there may be given to write the, okay, sides, yes, sides. So students, just look here and listen to me, okay. As we learned that there are four lines, okay, as a rectangle, okay. So the first name by here upper is given W and Z, then after W and X, then after what? X and Y, and okay, Z and Y. Students, you can okay, now you are watching, or you can see here, okay, or look at the board here carefully. We have four line segments, each of the name by one is WX, another is XY, other is YZ, then other is ZW. Yes. So in this way we can find this, and when we join these all lines with each other, then the shape form like WXYZ. So at the place of, or at the name of sides, we can write first one is WX, then XY, okay, then YZ, and then after, okay, WZ. Alphabetically we should write the first letter at first and then after, okay. Then after, sometimes may be given there, okay, angles, okay, write the name of angles, okay. So for the angles, as you know, we should only use the three letters or the three vertices to write the angle's name, and the, okay, angle which is mensnoid, that is that means, or the vertices which is mensnoid, to write the angle it must be written in the middle point or middle of the two letters. So here if we write the angles according to triangle, so first here we have three letters W, X, Y. Yes, if we write W, X, Y, then X becomes at middle. Yes, so it denote, okay, the angle X. So we should give the symbol of angle and then write W, X, Y. Then after, there are four angles that we have learned here in rectangle, so we need to write four angles here also. Then again we should leave the upper, that means, okay, the letter which is given at front or before X, and start from X. So when we start from X, we will get here X, Y, and we need to three letters, so X, Y, and Z. Yes. Then after we have here, again we should leave the first letter. Then after we have left Y and Z. So the next angle should be started from Y, Z, and then after which letter is given there W. So we should write here W, and then after at last we should write, okay, again we should leave the first letter Y, and then we should start the angle from Z, ZW and X. So in this way we can write, or we can find these, okay, type of, or we can give the answer of this type of questions. Okay, so now this is the time for homeworks. Okay, so you need to write the homework carefully. Now write the homework. Your homework is like this. Okay, write the names, vertices, sides and angles of the given rectangles. So students, your first question is write the name of vertices, write the names, vertices, sides and angles of the given rectangle. For this, okay, we have the first question, that is question number A. You should draw, you need to draw any type of rectangle by giving name, or any shape of size of rectangle by giving name A, B, C, D and other, okay, by giving name L, M, N, O, okay, and you need to write their names, vertices, okay, sides and angles, okay, by this much, okay. Now for the first shift, our first shift is over here, and for this I would like to thank you very much to listen for listening and watching our programs. In the same way, I would like to give my best thanking to our technician to support me, Mr. Suraj Narayan Jha. Okay, by saying this much, I would like to leave the today's class. Thank you. Keep listening Radio Mahesh Masla. Bye bye.